Okay, so look who I am standing here with today. This gentleman needs no introduction. If you
Yeah.
do not know who this is, ask somebody.
Yeah,
Tell them
the
who
man.
you are.
Well, I'm Floyd, the man himself, the owner of the establishment of the Floyd's Pelican Bar and Tour.
And who am I?
Um,
Gail.
Gail, and Gail is a friend of mine also, okay? And she
We-
visits Jamaica a lot and come to the Pelican Bar because she just told me that she likes things natural and rustic, and that's what the Pelican Bar is all about.
exactly. You were listening, man.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
men don't listen.
yeah, no, I'm not
You were listening.
Yeah, I was listening.
So when I was coming out here just now, while I was sitting out there just now, I was thinking to myself, how was this built? How did this come to be? Because the tourists just keep coming in, and we can't get enough. I see
Enough.
all the souvenirs that are out there, so we
Yeah.
all love it. How did it come to be?
Well, to be honest, it was really a dream of mine. I didn't really build it as a bar. It used to be my personal hangout. I used to live over there before. And 2 years after I lived there, a guy by the name of Peck used to come from the south side, from Jake's in Chesapeake to the Swaby Crocodile. So he always go back and forth. That because I have a new building. So probably because they always can't go to that. Yeah. No, all right. Hear what happened. Hear what happened. I'll tell you. You see the roadway. Yes, and then, just as I said, there's a guy by the name of Peck. Used to get some Jake in Cheddar Beach to the Swaby Crocodile. So he always go back and forth. So he was the guy who stopped by and said to me, it's a nice place to turn into a bar. And if it become a bar, he would say. I didn't really agree at the time because that wasn't really a plan of mine. You understand? But anyway, I bought some liquor take out one day and some ice, and the rest is like history. Known as the world famous Floyd's Pelican Bar. That's what it's called now, okay?
So now, what I wanted to know, how did you get it to be built? So it is there now, and it all looks great. But how did it start, like physically?
Yeah.
How did you get it
Well,
how did you build it out there? You got the wood out there, you got the logs out there.
yeah,
What did you
just get
do?
the pole first, put the pole down in the surface, then make cross member, which is go across like that, and then after I make that, then I made a platform, then from a platform to a shelter.
But how do you get the posts in the ground?
And
The
punch
water.
him, peg the point like a pencil, and punch him in the surface like 4 feet, 4.5, 5 feet, depends on the height of the pole.
So the surface was soft?
Ye-
So it's
Well, not really soft. It's not really soft because it's a coral reef and mud and sand and stuff like that. But with the weight and the accuracy, that's what put it to the depth.
so how do you get it down though?
Punch it. Just lift the point, lift it. These are the poles that I use right here. Here they are.
Oh!
Look how they peg.
Oh! Okay, well let's look at it then.
Yes, yes, yes.
So when you say like a pencil, you weren't kidding.
No, we're kidding. I don't like a joke. I
Oh,
too
look
old
at
for
it.
that.
That looks like a giant pencil.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so that's what I was saying. Like, is it soft? The soil was soft enough to go down
It's
in,
not
or
really,
it's
just
not
I said,
soft?
it's not soft, but the pressure that we're pushing it with, and then the point.
So what kind of machine do you use to push it? Because
No,
nobody
manpower.
could lift
All
that.
manpower.
You're serious?
All is just manpower.
Okay.
All is just manpower.
So as far as the pegs that are down in the bottom, they're connected with any steel, any
No,
any
no,
any
it's all natural.
screws, any
Just
bolts,
natural.
anything?
Just natural. Everything is all natural and would twist across to each other and make it. And that's what make
Okay.
it happen.
Okay, that is extremely fascinating. So, are you gonna make it any bigger? Because I noticed that there's a part that used to be there before that's not there now. What hurricane
Yeah.
was that?
And no, it's not hurricane that take it
It's
out.
what?
We do some reinforcement. We do some reinforcement. So we put we occupy the log that we take up. We put them on it. So that's what you see a part out there with some log that used to be the outer part.
Okay.
So it's still-
Are there any plans in the works to do anything else, like to move it upwards, to take it further, or is it that you're gonna keep it exactly as it is
Well,
now?
it was really a dream of mine, so it's to keep it. But what the thing happened, now I'm working with the people, so it didn't even so big, but the people keep asking for space. I have to give it to them because now I'm working with the people.
So you're gonna make it bigger?
If they say, I will. But
Okay.
if nobody say nothing, it remain as it is.
Okay. So now, when I've been out here a couple of times, and I didn't use your boat. I didn't even know that your boat was up here. But how many times did I come? No, 3 times. I think I came 3 times, and I used your boat. So if somebody want to get your boat, what is the address to come to your boat?
Well, it's Party. It's Party District, Party Beach, and the number is 354-4218. R5, R548-4165. That's a contact right through.
And that is 876.
Yeah,
Straight
876.
or WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. 548 is WhatsApp. Even the 354 is WhatsApp also. I'll accept WhatsApp and both of
Okay.
them.
Okay. All right. And this building behind me here, I'm not going to look at it without your permission.
Yeah.
Is it going to be at your Airbnb?
Yes, yes, it's gonna
Well,
be.
see them, I
It's
can't
gonna be
wait.
at Airbnb, and it's gonna be 2 units on the top. But what the thing happened? I didn't want to say anything. It called him here, right here. This spot here, call him the Pelican launching pad.
So hold a second now. Should we keep that in the video or should
Yeah,
we
you can
take
keep
it?
in the video.
It. Okay,
It's-
so we're officially announcing it
Yeah,
then.
yeah, we officially announced it.
You heard it here
Yes, dear, we
first.
officially announced it. Yeah, it's what it called, and the units, the both units. I named mine already, which is a secret. It's gonna call the rusty crabs.
Rusty crab.
Rusty crab, rusty crab.
Thank you for giving me the secret. I
Yes,
keep it to
just you.
myself.
Keep it
just
as a
me.
secret. Don't let it out.
So this is going to be 2 units. Only
Yeah.
2? It's big
Yeah.
though for 2 units.
Yeah, but it have kitchen and bathroom and all those things in it. It's gonna be like 2 big units, like
Lord, may I
Airbnb
come
units,
back?
yeah.
So when is the estimated completion date?
Well, we want to do it for this month because we are painting it
Oh.
now and we have the furniture them already and everything. We just want to get the place fenced up. As soon as the place fenced up and get the camera system put in, everything gonna be all perfect.
I did love it white. I come here last time, and I today I come with grey.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah.
get grey or
We
white.
did just priming it up because we wanted to have a commercial building looks. We don't really want a lot of color on it and the sun. It gonna just look blending with the sun. So if the sun go on it, you don't see it dirty up and look messy
Okay.
and have to clean every minute. So we can use the power wash and the spray it
Is it
off.
gonna be grey and yellow, or are we moving from the grey and the
Yeah,
grey and
yeah,
cream?
that's what we're gonna do. But we're gonna do a lighter grey under this segment.
Okay. Well, me can't wait to see it listed
Yeah.
for Airbnb. But
Oh my God!
I
and
made
remember, you have to spend at least a night or more here with me. Okay?
you should invite me. You should
Yeah.
invite me as a special guest
Yeah.
for the house opening.
Yeah,
Have a big party and
come
invite me.
come on, Gail. You know, I have to send you a letter top, okay?
Of course. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I have a million more questions.
Yeah.
But I know you got to go out there. So when I come back again, we're gonna talk again.
All right.
Hug it
bless you.
out.
Thank you. Keep the peace going. Yeah.
Bye. Thank you so
All
much.
right. Thanks for the visit and the support.
Yeah, man, it's not a problem.
Okay.
It's my favorite, probably my favorite place in
Oh my God,
Jamaica.
I know it.
Yep, I was very happy to get that interview. I have wanted it
Yes,
forever.
yes, yes.
So, and Floyd is such an affable person. My goodness. Anyway, I was saying, yeah, you have to go now. You don't have enough time for this interview. He said, no, ma'am, I'll answer some questions right now. So open, so friendly, so nice. So this is where you catch Floyd's boat right here. Let me turn this way. So you see this what is this, peach colored building? Hopefully it stays peach. But the sign will be right here that says, welcome to Floyd's Pelican Bar. This is the official launching pad for the real Floyd's boat ride. So if you want to get Floyd's boat, and funny thing, you know, I paid less for Floyd's boat than I paid for the other boats that I've used. No kidding, I'm not just saying that. These house colors soon change, so I'm not going to say look for the house, but just keep coming on Parity Road until you see the sign that says welcome to Floyd's, and then you'll see this grey building set off the road, and it's going to be a lighter grey at the bottom. He says it's a work in progress. All right, I got some of the answers that I wanted because I wanted to know how you get them pegged into the water, so I'm happy I had that interview.